Hey guys, it's Megan here with Kelly Day Portraits, and today I'm going to show you how to do a really fast and easy smoky eye. You can use any kind of brush with this, but for this one I'm using number 20 by the Lime Life. And so what I like to do for myself is I like to keep my dark shadows in more of the warm side. So I'm going with any kind of like warmer brown. And you're gonna just put that all over your lid. And you can smooth it out when it gets to the increase, but you're mainly just putting a nice brown or any shade that you think looks good. On that increase just like that. And if you think that it's too dark and it's too harsh right there, go in with an even lighter brown or even like an orangey and softly blend that transition from not wearing eyeshadow to wearing the eyeshadow. Then you can grab your finger and a shimmer shade. Just go in with the shimmer on your finger and put it right in the middle of your lid. And then go in with that same brown, that dark one that you used, and apply it to the under eye. And there you go. Super fast, super easy, and you can do simple smoky eye and then put a really big deep lip on it and it'll look really good. If you like this look and want to see more in-depth smoky eye, just let me know in the comments and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.